Haha! Mainit-init pa ito. This is the latest flagship na meron ni Iqoo, which is the Iqoo 15. Sobrang lakas nito phone nito, and I'm pretty sure it will definitely blow you away. One of my favorite gaming phone na paldong-paldo for this year 2025, finally nag-arrive na dito sa ating studio. So kung kasing excited mo ako, panoorin mo ng buo itong video na ito. So itong box ng Iqoo looks pretty nice and solid. Ang ganda ng kanyang print dito sa harap. And I have here is the color white na variant. By the way guys, itong Iqoo 15 is a China ROM variant. And pagbukas natin, you see yung phone outright itself. Mamaya na yung phone, check muna natin the accessories. We have a quick start guide, a jelly case na color white. Uy, maganda. Hindi siya basta cheap na jelly case. C2C cable, panundot, 100 watts na fast charging brick na flash charge ni Vivo. And of course, yung phone itself. Tara, buksan natin. Woot! Okay. Uy, ganda. Puting-puti. Every time na bumibili ng Iqoo na flagship series, I always get the white. Kasi yun yung pinakamagandang color na meron niya for the flagship phone ng Iqoo. And gusto-gusto ko rin kanyang breathing light dito. Ang ganda, oh. Marami siyang color pwede pagpilian, actually. Pero for me, white yung pinakamaganda ng ilaw. Now, itong Iqoo 15 na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage, mabibili mo to for 41,000 pesos. And I got this from UKDV Gadgets, and I'll post the link on the description box below. Or just simply click yung product link dyan sa YouTube shopping link natin to buy the Iqoo 15 na legit. Ingat lang tayo kasi ang daming scammers ngayon. Nagkalat sobra itong Pasko na ito. Magugulat ka na lang, mas mura siya ng mga roughly 3,000 pesos pero scam pala siya. So guys, please use the link that I provide para maiwasan yung mga scam na mangyayari sa inyo. A quick word of reminder para hindi masayang yung 13-month pay nyo. Now, one thing na na-miss ko dito sa kanya, yung sa Iqoo 15, is nag-skip siya ng number. Iqoo 13, yung last one, nag-skip siya ng Iqoo 14 kasi alam mo naman 4 is malas sa mga Chinese. So, they skipped the 14 and went straight to 15. Now, makita mo dito nakasulat Monster inside, it used to be BMW. So, if you're a fan ng BMW, sorry, hindi na siya BMW this time around. Di ba dati makita mo blue, red, and white na stripes? Ngayon, wala na. Now, medyo na bago konti ka ng design, it feels a little bit more iPhone-ish na design. Okay naman ka ng gilid, chamfer naman ka ng kanto, so masarap hawakan ha. And it looks like a brushed aluminum metal finish na meron ng iPhone. One good thing is nandiyan pa rin ka ng IR blaster dito sa ibabaw. And this one can host 2 nano SIM na 5G. And good news, gumagana si Globe and Smart na 5G. Pati si dito. And currently guys, this one is running Origin OS 6 inside Android version 15. And good news guys, meron siyang Q3 na chip dedicated pang gaming lang. Now kung gusto mo makita full specs na itong phone na ito na. Now, pagdating sa everyday usage ng phone na ito, browsing the web, doing all of your multitasking dito sa phone na ito, sobrang lakas nito. It can give you some really good na video editing sa CapCut kahit mag-render ka ng mga 4K na videos. Walang problema dito sa kanya. Playing AAA games is just a breeze. And good news guys, magandang kanyang thermals, which malalaman natin dito sa gaming. Dahil itong phone na ito is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Pinakamalakas na meron ni Qualcomm andito na sa phone na ito. And was able to score me a 3.33 million points dito sa Antutu benchmark, which is for me, sobrang lakas na siya. Though it could score even higher, pero ito yung pinaka-best na nakuha natin na score. Now, if you want to check the other benchmark na ginawa natin, here you go. So, pagdating sa battery, paldong-paldo to phone na ito. 7,000 mAh ang battery nito. Sobrang laki, di ba? And it uses the latest silicon carbon technology. So, bringing down the weight and bringing up yung kanyang capacity. It even supports 100 watts na flash charge yung Vivo and a 40 watts na wireless charging support. And good news, may bypass charging din siya. Actually, to be honest with you, kaya nga nito magtagal ng 2 whole days without even charging. Basta normal usage, walang heavy gamings, kaya-kaya na 2 whole days. And in fact, binigyan pa nga ako ng 24 hours na screen on time dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test. Now, pagdating sa kanyang display, this has one of the best display na nagamit ko from a Iqoo na flagship phone. Naka-LTPO AMOLED display na siya, may PWM dimming pa siya, and 144Hz na screen refresh rate. Sobrang taas din ang kanyang maximum brightness at 6,000 nits. So, if you're using it under the direct sunlight, wala kang maging problema dito sa phone na ito. Meron pa nga siya mga visual enhancement dito to enhance the photo, and meron din siya MEMC and super resolution to enhance yung video. Yung nga lang, pag tinurn on mo mga yan, expect na mas mabilis mag-drain ang yung battery. Now, if you're browsing through your phone dito sa social media, mas harap mag-browse dito to be honest with you. Dahil sobrang ganda ng kanyang display. And overall, not so kapal naman ang kanyang bezels dito. Bigla akong naging konyo. And ang ganda sa kanya is symmetrical siya throughout all 4 sides nito phone na ito. If you're watching your favorite videos naman dito, dahil sa kanyang MEMC, I think parang medyo na-enhance ang mga videos dito, giving you better resolution dito, giving you more punchier colors, and expect na maganda talagang output dito from this phone. Now, this phone has dual stereo speaker. I have 7 holes dito sa ilalim, meron siyang 3 butas dito sa ibabaw. Now, try ko lang magpatugtog dito, pakinggan lang natin. Uy, maganda ka ng sounds Flagship level like, I would say. Now, right now, pag-usapan na natin ng gaming. One of the best phone na pwede mong gamitin for gaming purpose. Na 3 game na nilaro natin dito, I was able to play Wuthering Waves, Genshin Impact, and of course, Call of Duty Mobile. Simulan natin with Genshin Impact. One of the games na dito supported niya yung ultra gaming mode niya. And if you drop out yung kanyang settings dito, pwede mo ilagay sa monster, yung kanyang refresh rate is highest, and pwede mo pang laruin ito yung kanyang Q3 chip. Yung nga lang, pag pumasok ka dito sa kanya, na-turn on ko si Ray Tracing and si Game Enhancement, yung nga lang ito, hindi ko siya ma-turn on. For some reason, yung kanyang super resolution, pag ito warning niya lagi. Hindi ko lang sure kung saan ko i-turn on siya, pero hopefully kung makita ko siya soon, i-update ko kayo. Throughout the gameplay na Genshin Impact, sobrang smooth. Wala kang maging problema dito. Ang ganda ng kanyang graphics, sobrang smooth ang gameplay. Walang frame drops, walang lags. It was really fixed at 60 FPS. I was hoping na sana mag-bump up siya 120 FPS. Yung nga lang hindi ko ma-turn on si super resolution and si super frame rate. Kaya siguro stuck ako sa 60. Hopefully ma-figure out ko soon how to turn this one on just to be able to get a 120 FPS. But overall, I would tell you, grabe guys, sobrang sarap ng gameplay dito sa kanya. And yung kanyang sound is pretty solid, wala kang maging problema, touch response is good. Overall, sobrang nice ang kanyang gameplay. And pinakamainit na inabot ko guys, is just 39 degrees Celsius to my surprise. Now, pagdating sa Wuthering Waves, pareho lang, pinakasagad na na-achieve natin 60 FPS. Very consistent siya and the gameplay was really nice, smooth. And wala ka rin mafe-feel dito na frame drops kahit medyo bakbakan na kayo ng mga boss, heavy clashes, wala kang maging problema. Talagang, guys, nasasabi ko sa'yo, sobrang smooth ang gameplay nito. Well, as expected naman kasi meron kang Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 dito sa loob and meron ka pang Q3 na chip, dedicated chip for gaming. So, expect mo talagang sobrang solid ang gameplay dito sa Wuthering Waves. And pinakamainit guys na na-achieve ko, it's just 38 degrees Celsius after an hour of gameplay. Now, pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, was able to achieve 120 FPS. Consistent siya. Wala kang maging problema dito whatsoever. Gameplay was definitely good. Smooth siya. Walang frame drops. And kahit anong game laruin mo dito, lahat okay din. So, be it rank match, mission, or whatever modes na gusto mong laruin dito, talagang okay na okay siya. And sobrang lamig din niya at just 34 degrees Celsius, guys, after an hour of gameplay. Now guys, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang camera. This phone, hindi lang siya paldo pagdating sa gaming. Pagdating sa camera, paldo din siya. Probably not as good as yung mga Vivo X300 Pro, pero I would say that yung kanyang camera is definitely a flagship level 1. 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 50MP na periscope telephoto lens na may 3x optical zoom, and meron siya 50MP na ultra-wide lens. Kaya na mag-shoot up to 8K and 30. Ang kanyang front-facing camera, 32MP. Kaya din na mag-shoot up to 4K and 60. Take note guys, kaya din na mag-super moon. Ito mga samples. Now guys, tingnan natin some shots na nakuha natin from the Iqoo 15. Now, checking out some of the outdoor shot, I would say na, pretty nice tong kanyang camera, which was able to capture some really sharp subject. Mga buildings is nice. And yung mga green is okay. A little bit more to the darker side ng green ang napansin ko dito sa kanya. Pero overall, magandang pagka-capture, really nice. It's pretty much Instagrammable pag ako tatanungin mo. If you're trying to walk around the vicinity, makakuha ka na some really good shot using this camera on outdoors. Na kung lalaroin mo naman kanyang camera, you can play between kanyang ultra-wide lens and zooming it all the way to 100 times zoom. And well, after 100 times zoom, not bad naman ka digitally zoom na text, except itong sa ilalim, medyo sumablay. Now, if you're trying to do some indoor food photography, expect na itong kanyang camera will be able to get you some good shots. Probably not the best though, like yung mga tipong Vivo X300 Pro. But overall, yung mga food shot na na-capture ko dito sa kanyang camera is really good. Kung nakita mo mga pictures na ito, you'll feel na, nakakagutom. No? Yung pagtinignan, parang it's really a nice camera for taking food photography. Now, nung paggabi na I was able to take some of these breathtaking snaps, ang ganda ng mga na-capture ko. Simply lang, just a quick snap. It was overall really nice, no? And trying my luck on the cold moon using yung kanyang super moon mode, pero ganito lang kanyang output. Not the best, pero I would say na pwede na. At least nakapag-capture siya ng super moon. Now, if you want to see more photos na na-capture natin sa Iqoo 15, check me out on my Facebook page. Now, pagdating naman sa kanyang front-facing camera, not so bad ang mga shots na na-capture ko dito. Probably not the best, no? Pero overall, yung kanyang shots is nice, solid naman. Pero mapapansin mo na medyo maging makinis na yung mukha and a little bit softer than usual. Siguro kasi hindi naman front-facing camera ang focus na itong phone na ito. But overall, not bad ang mga shots na nakuha ko. Pero pagdating sa indoor, expect it to be a little bit softer. Pero overall, I would say na pretty nice and solid naman kanyang front-facing camera. Just don't expect it to perform like a Vivo X300 Pro level. Here's a video na na-capture natin using the front-facing camera. And ito naman ang rear. Front-facing camera naman ni Vivo Iqoo 15. So, sharp na sharp ang video. And that's how it's supposed to be sa isang flagship level phone. And here's another one from the rear camera. So, itong Iqoo 15. And right now, I'm shooting at 4K and 60 FPS. And it's very stable siya guys to. And kahit medyo windy right now, very stable ang video. So that's expected from a flagship level phone. So guys, with a phone this good at just 41,000 pesos, sinong hindi mapapabili nito? Lalo kung if you're a solid heavy gamer, talagang paldong-paldo si Iqoo 15. Probably I would say that ito na pinaka well-rounded na phone for 2025 pagdating sa gaming and camera. Sold na sold ka dito sa phone na ito. Kung hindi ka naman sobrang pro na photographer, I think this is definitely something you should consider with your hard-earned money. Now, if you're going to ask me kung saan na pwede mabili ito, check this sa UKDB Gadgets, which I'll post the link on the description box below. And kung alam nyo meron kayong mga friends na naghahanap ng ganitong level na phone, please do share itong videos kay dia and don't forget to like and subscribe dito sa akin channel so you don't miss out sa mga ganong kagandang phone na nire-review natin here sa ating channel. So padre, hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.